Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another episode of Chill and Sketch. I'm your host, Mighty Leafy, and it's been a while. It's been, I think, 2 or 3 weeks since the last episode. It's kind of been on a little break. Been doing other stuff, and also kind of hit another one of those draw blocks. Draw block, whatever you guys like to call it. It was, in today's episode, I'm drawing Fubuki from One Punch Man. She is the younger sister of Tatsumaki, which is the crazy telekinesis S-rank hero in One Punch Man. It's pretty funny. Man, my Japanese is it's pretty bad. Feel free to laugh at me for that, but anyways, so I'm just starting off with the sketch now. What's interesting here, well, not really interesting, but what's funny here is I did not initially decide to keep going with this sketch. I figured I would start with a different one or something, or go with a different one, but nonetheless I went on with the sketch and I kept adding to it, and the entirety of this drawing took about 2 hours, but I think the drawing process and most of the finishing stuff, I think that all took around an hour, and then I just spent like another extra hour doing stuff like trying to find a set of colors to make it look half decent, and it was just really difficult for me to do that this time around because I was just scrummaging around through the layers. None of the layers were named. They weren't in order or anything. Like I said, it was like a sketch that I took above and beyond what I was intentionally planning on doing. So all the stuff was just very disorganized, and yeah, it was just a bad time. What am I talking about? It was just not a great time that I had to rummage through all my messed up layers trying to figure out what I can alterate and what I cannot, but it's alright, it's all good. I mean, it happens. So I figured if I was gonna be too picky about every little thing, and I don't even draw that often anymore, and also sometimes I have these art blocks and just moments where you have absolutely no creativity. So to begin with, it's already kind of taxing to do something art related. I figured that was gonna happen, and I was gonna be picky on top of that. Then Chun Sketch probably not gonna happen for a while, so I figured, hey, you know what? Let's just make something. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Did I say that right? Enjoy the video. Now, some of the later finishing touches I actually forgot to record. So what happened was I did all the drawing, did all the the hour of color retouching. Anyways, I did all that, and then I went to bed. And I woke up the next morning, I said, no, this looks horrible. So then I went on the computer and I did another 20 minutes, maybe 15 minutes of throwing stuff in to see if anything stuck. And I think I ended up with the finished product around there. So no, I did not record that last segment, which was done earlier today. Man, watching this drawing video right now, I'm kind of thinking to myself, this drawing actually looked a lot better somewhere before the finish, the final phase, is what I'm thinking to myself now. And I wonder how many of you have actually gone through that thought process in your own drawings, because it's actually kind of interesting. Sometimes the sketches because they are so, you know, pure and non-padded, and the mentality behind drawing it is so, what's the word? Like, it's so carefree that it looks a lot more innocent. Did I just attach a personality to a sketch? I think I did. I'm not sure what I'm trying to say here, but I guess I'm just trying to start a conversation with myself, which is perfectly normal, I assure you. No, it's not. Anyways, I'm gonna continue on commentating. I just don't know on what. Initial thoughts on that is, you know, throw some tips here and there, but of course, if I don't keep on topic, people aren't going to expect it. But what I really want to just have a chat about is, I don't know, just the stuff that I'm drawing. So right now I'm drawing a One Punch Man character. I'm obviously watching the season 2 series of One Punch Man, and it's been really great. Episode 2 comes out very soon. I think it's already out. I just haven't got around to watching it yet. What I'm gonna do is I'm probably going to check that out later on, and I don't know. I think it'll be a good episode. I am reading the manga. I just kind of stopped the manga when they got to a the thing with reading manga is that you just keep reading it until you reach the latest chapter, and then suddenly there's nothing more because it takes quite a while to release. And then you know, for like the first week or two, or month or two even, because sometimes some manga series, they don't release a new chapter every week. They do a new chapter every month. You know, I just kind of lose track and I just stop following. But for One Punch Man, the manga, I've not followed that for quite a few years now. So I'm sort of hoping that maybe the chapters built up as I was, you know, haven't been paying attention. Maybe the chapters built up to a point where I can once again just, you know, sit back and sort of marathon as much as I can on the spot. That would be a good time. Yeah. So what are you guys watching this anime season? Any suggestions perhaps, and why? Let me know in the comment section down below. Oh man, that is like the most YouTuber thing I've said all video, I think. Now I just have to follow it up with like and subscribe for new videos every day, which would be a lie because I don't do new videos every day. In fact, I don't even do them every week. Wow, damn, what the heck is going on? Yeah, anyways. Okay, well, I think that's enough babbling from me, and hope you guys enjoy my commentary. I promise you they will get better. I just don't know when or how long it might take for those improvements to come along. But yeah, thank you guys for bearing with me, and sit tight as my past self in the recording finishes this drawing off for you guys. And if you'd like to check the finished product, go ahead and check out my Twitter account where I tweet all my drawings, or my Pixiv account, which I post all my drawings as well. So there you have it.